This is DashboardSymbols.com. My brother was having trouble with his Toyota remote and thought the remote itself would need to be replaced. We went ahead and opened it up, found its battery, and then a replacement. It is a CR2016 and will make good use of a very small screwdriver. This upper corner is our way in. Use the screwdriver to separate the case. Note right away that the buttons are loose, and keeping the button side down would have been helpful. Note also that the buttons only fit in one spot each, so not to worry. What we have now is a case that holds the electronics and the battery. Note the small openings all around the perimeter. We pried on one on the long side and was able to pull the case apart. It might take 2 or 3 spots to accomplish this. And there's the circuit board and the CR2016 battery on the back side with its markings up. Touch as little of the electronics as possible. The screwdriver helps to slide the battery out. Sliding a new one in with its markings up is a simple process. We're using a glasses cleaning cloth to keep skin oils off the battery. Don't forget to peel the backing off the new battery if there is one. Note that we're holding the circuit board by the edges. Slip the circuit board back in. It too only goes in one way. And snap the case back together. Then drop the case back into the key with the button contacts down and snap it back together. Then give it a test, and it's ready to go. For other helpful automotive videos, generally covering push-button and keyless start cars and key fobs from this or other manufacturers, look for more videos from us here on YouTube, subscribe to this channel, or go to DashboardSymbols.com.